This thing working? Test, 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 test. Hey guys, welcome to Arizona Insider. My name is Chip. If you're returning to the channel, I really appreciate you as always. If you're new, my name is Chip. Did I just say that? I think I just said that. You guys, I'm a native to Arizona. And there's one thing I really love doing, that's creating videos to show you all the great things you can do, the great places to go, and then what it's like actually living here in Arizona. I've been doing it my whole life, so I can give you a little bit of a different perspective. And if you get questions about Arizona, like you're just considering a visit, you wanna know where to go, what part of town, reach out to me. If you're here and looking for cool things to do while you're here, reach out to me. Or if you've gotten to the point where you've seen so many awesome Arizona Insider videos, you guys, and you're like, heck, I wanna move and live in Arizona, I can also help you out. Shoot me a call, send me a text, whatever works best for you, I got your back. And in today's video, we're going to Scottsdale, specifically the DC Ranch and Silverleaf area, and giving you an idea of what it's like living up in North Scottsdale.
So we are at 10719 East Rimrock Drive here in Silverleaf, and we're right here kind of at the entrance going into the house. This is actually the guest house right here, and then we'll kind of sneak back to the main house. Chip and I just took a little bit of a tour, but we wanted to take you guys on a little bit of a tour as well. We're not gonna show you the whole house because that would take all day, but just a quick, this is a 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom, about 13,000 square foot, listed at 18,750. So yeah, it's a nice house.
It's a really nice house.
So probably, I think the biggest value, I mean, there's a tons of reasons why somebody would want to be up here, but you know, this sits on about 9 acres, and you're sitting up high. You've got tremendous views. We'll show you the views as we go through, and also with the drone. But man, it's sick. And I'll turn the camera around again, and we'll kind of show you what it's all about. So here, you know, going through the patio area, you've got your barbecue, coming up to your sitting area. There's a fireplace over there, and then you've got
Infinity Edge pool.
Yeah.
You guys, we are very North Scottsdale, and from where this house is, if you look in the distance, you can't because there's smog, but you can literally see Cardinal Stadium in Glendale where we shot. You can't because of the smog, but it would be just due that way, all the way across town. So this right here, I mean, if you come out, this is kind of your main living space that kind of comes out to what your view deck is out here. And yeah. And then Greg, what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna throw.
All right, next up, we'll show you guys the master coming in off the entry, and then down the hallway here. Really cool little hallway setup going on. So we'll show you that as well. Come in here, there's like a master study area that's right in off the master. All right, so this was something new that I hadn't seen before, but I know there's a lot of his and her closets. There's his and her water closets. There's a lot of his and her stuff when you come to the master. This has like a full separate bathroom for both.
It's a his and her master bathroom suite and closet. So you have the exact same setup, right for the missus, left for the mister, and the right, the decor is very light, very feminine. On the left side for him, it's very dark and very masculine. And they each have their own shower.
Can't show you the house without showing you the kitchen. This doesn't disappoint by any means at all. So we'll kind of show you a little bit around. You got a huge island, amazing setup regarding the appliance. You got your wolf package here. You've got built-in matching freezer refrigerator combo. So you got the freezer here, the fridge on the other side.
Same thing, but fridge. And butler's pantry.
This is a pretty nice butler's pantry here, and then there's another butler's pantry just on the other side. Butler's pantry. So when you have When you have your formal events and you use your formal dining room, then you're set up for that as well, for like holidays and family get-togethers, that type of thing. We are located just outside kind of the northeast corner of the 101. If you head up Pima north of the 101 in Scottsdale, you quickly come upon DC Ranch, and then just to the east is Silverleaf tucked away. So really great spot, close proximity to the 101, and just beautiful. What do you see, like, as we're kind of driving through here, Chip? What are you seeing?
Yeah, I see gorgeous mountain views, and I see the Silverleaf neighborhood kind of just trailing back up into the mountains.
Yeah.
And you can see the houses in there, and looks like most of the houses kind of scale the mountain. And then even just driving around DC Ranch here in the general area, you have, I mean, views for days out towards Phoenix and Camelback Mountain, back in towards the preserve where the homes are, and just awesome southwest landscape everywhere. Palo Verdes, cactus, jumping choyas, saguaros. Like, this is the epitome of Arizona, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's got you covered, and I mean, there are many, many, many beautiful areas and parts of Arizona, and Scottsdale specifically. This is definitely one of my favorite. It's it just, there's something about it that really stands alone when it comes to neighborhoods. All right, so I can't talk to you guys about DC Ranch or Silverleaf without taking you through Market Street. This is the entertainment district that's just outside of DC Ranch, and where everybody comes. Really cool area with a lot of amazing shops, restaurants. You've got a Safeway right over here, a grocery store. There's actually another little spot where you've got AJ's for a grocery store. So you have so many things that you need. A lot of cool restaurants around here. You've got the living room, which is always nice, little wine bar. Jalapeno Inferno is really cool. They just opened an Ecstasy, which is a little breakfast spot. Yeah, there's lots of things. I think you said that you had a spot in here that you really liked.
Yeah, I've actually, now as we're talking, Greg, I ate at Cask 53 here.
Right here.
Ago. It's like a tasty little American grill spot.
I haven't been there.
And then, I don't think in Market Street, but just outside of Market Street, still in the DC Ranch area, there's a restaurant called Kale and Clover that I've used to frequent all the time at work. And it's just delicious food. And kind of like I was saying in the car, that vibe and that feel you get up here in DC Ranch just transcends into this entertainment district.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of cool spots, and definitely worth coming up and checking out. And again, very nice to be close to your neighborhood, so you don't have to go very far. Even though it seems like you're tucked away from everything, you're actually not. You're right here in the heart of the action.
It's all